My name is Bob Sewell. I'm the president and CEO of Bellwether Investment Management. I founded Bellwether in 2009. Our vision for Bellwether is really to create a national independent wealth management platform that serves the distinct needs of affluent families in their local communities. Really want to be seen as the alternative to the banks in Canada. You start by focusing on the client experience, then having a consistent process is really very critical. The fact is that the best investment and wealth management organizations globally follow an investment process that's consistent and replicable over time for exactly that reason, the client experience. From a client perspective, it's about consistency of performance. So if a client has a similar mandate from one to the next, then they should be receiving a similar outcome as far as the performance of their portfolio. From a financial planning perspective, it's very important that the client is getting their needs properly addressed and understood, and a plan put in place so that they ultimately achieve their goals and objectives. When we developed the investment processes for Bellwether, we really wanted to create an all-weather approach, one that would fare well in most market environments. The second factor that we considered is really the fact that most of our clients, or many of our clients, have a need for income from their portfolios, at least if not today, in the future. And that's very, very challenging in a zero interest rate environment that we've been really all operating in for many, many years now. So those two factors really drove our decision making and the development of our investment philosophy and processes, and allowed us to really create what I believe to be a unique offering in Canada today. So we complement our public market investment management with investments in what is called alternative investing. And that really is in two particular areas. One that's called alternative lending. In this case, we're working with third-party managers who have specialties in areas such as supply chain finance and real estate lending as examples. And on the equity side, we invest in what is called global real estate and infrastructure opportunities. And here again, we work with third-party managers, institutional managers who have great specialty in areas like infrastructure and real estate equity investing opportunities. In both cases, there are a number of similarities. These are large, institutional, global investment managers who have specialties in these fields, and typically are only available to investors with more than $50 million to invest. So most of our clients could never have access to these managers otherwise. These managers have long track records in these specialty fields, and what they've demonstrated over many years is the ability to generate regular income and stability of capital from these strategies. It's a great complement to the rest of what we do for our clients.